Hi, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have for sale this stunning Ducati Streetfighter V4S. So stunning bike is this one. I think black is one of the coolest colour schemes you can get these in. So 2022 on a 22 plate, and it's done 3,566 miles. It's got GB Racing engine covers and lever guard. It's got a tail tidy. It's got fork protection and radiator guards by Evotech, and a really nice Ducati Performance rider seat as well. But these are just a super bike. Pushing 200 horsepower. You get quick shifter and auto blipper, full TFT display. You get wheelie control, slide control, engine brake control, power modes, traction. Honestly, the list goes on. And you could really do with a full 10-minute video, somebody talking you through all the bits you can do with it. Because the electronic suspension, you've got hundreds of different settings for them. Honestly, you could, like I say, you could do with a tutorial on it. They've just got so many things you can adjust. But that makes them such an amazing bike. So they always sell really well, and if you do fancy it, give us a call or get down to the showroom and get it bought. Cheers.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk-around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.